Hi Norm, my name is Linda Borgmeyer and STEM Designs asked that I send you my favorite core exercise that I do. Just to give you a little bit of background, I have been an occupational therapist for 34 years and I also have my master's in kinesiology exercise science. My day job is I run an outpatient clinic here in Palm Beach Gardens, and my daughter and I, this is Ashlyn, also own a business called Health and Fitness Solutions, where we help people such as yourself come up with an exercise program using their Galileo. So without further ado, we will get into the practice. So we usually set the machine on 24 hertz to start, and I set it also on wobble, which is basically intervals. So it'll go up and down by 5 hertz, either below or above, while you're on it, which is good because you don't want your muscles to kind of settle into a speed. It causes you to have more reaction. So Ashlyn's going to put her forearms on number 1. She's also going to, in order to keep them down, you'll notice that she has her fingers wrapped around the unit, just to kind of make sure she keeps her forearms down. That's going to be really important. And that your shoulders are above your elbows. So there's a couple key components here. One of them is you can work your shoulders while you're on here as well, and your core, by dropping your shoulders down, and you'll see the shoulder blades come up, and then by protracting, when she comes up, she's really engaging, extra engaging those core muscles. So she is in a modified plank right now, and another way to do it is to go up on your toes and play around with how you're going to get the stimulation. You can go forward and backward, and you want it to drive all the way down into your pelvic floor. Okay, here we go, Ashlyn. 24 hertz. So Ashlyn's in her position. She's going to protract, hold it. You can feel down here it's getting all the way down into her core. If you want a little bit more bang for your buck and you happen to have a weighted plate, you could place a plate on your back, which will give you more resistance. You'll have to hold it up more, so you're activating those muscles and kind of almost working against the stimulation to cause a stronger contraction. Today I have 2 5-pound weights. Sorry, Ashlyn. You were not a good child. So she's going to hold that weight up against the resistance and get more of a muscle contraction. Typically, I'm going to turn this off for you. Typically, we start out with 30-second intervals and take a break, and then we go back on for 30 seconds until you work up to about 3 minutes. If you have any questions or favorite exercises that you'd like to know how to turn those on using the Galileo, just Marilyn will give you my email address. I'd love to send you some more information. Thank you.